parcel tracking system. So this will be available in the different courier centers, okay, and these all are the parcels. Tags will be available to the parcels, GSM module and RFID. Okay, the moment our parcel reaches to some Hyderabad location, or just they place like this parcel like this, okay. So that box location is Hyderabad entered, okay. Same data will be updated by using GSM module. So we will get the SMS also, parcel number 123 is reached Hyderabad location, parcel number 123. Now they are sending this parcel from Hyderabad to another location, Chennai, then again they will place the parcel. So second time if they place the same parcel, it will consider it as what, exit. So parcel exited from the Hyderabad location, like that we will get the updates from the system.